So this is the boss seat ng kotse na to, this one and this one. Binigyan natin ng full interior upgrade. Oh, hi guys! Welcome to Tiger Garage. So, in-adjust lang natin tong pinto ng highs natin. Well, pagtingin mo parang nothing so special. Pero actually, ang dami na natin ginawa sa car na to. Sa exterior, halos wala tayong ginalaw kasi gusto ni Mayari medyo low-key. Ayaw niya masyadong like halata siya on the road. So, nilinis lang natin and everything. Then, that's it for the exterior. Pero lahat ng ginawa natin is all in the inside. So, bubuksan natin yung pinto ngayon. Ayan. So, ito yung mga ginawa natin sa car na to. Binigyan natin ng full interior upgrade. Pinalitan natin ng flooring. Pinalitan natin ng dalawang captain seats are Tiger Garage Special Captain Seats. Kompleto na lahat ng functions niya. Electric control everything. Tapos meron siyang massage. Meron din siyang air-cooled seats. What's so special in this car is actually itong second row seat and yung third row. So, yung third row natin is a big sofa and pwede siya i-lie down to become a bed. So, even if nanilay down nyo yung third row, kasya lang din yung bata. So, meron tayong inad na special function sa ating captain seats para hindi lang bata ang kasya dun sa likod. Not only the bata, even the grown-ups because we can spin the captain seats. Ayan. So, ganyan lang kadali spin. Just press a button on the chair and then mag-unlock na yung upuan. And then, pwede nyo spin sa likod. Tapos, magiging siyang combination dun sa likod para kumasyang isang grown man. Ayan. As you can see, okay na tong upuan natin. Andito mga lahat ng functions niya. I can move front. I can move back. Meron siyang footrests. And then, meron din siyang i-adjust yung incline-decline. So, this is the boss seat ng kotse na to. This one and this one. Ginawa natin parang super luwag para sa dalawang may-ari of the car, mag-asawa. So, how did we achieve this? Kasi, yun nga, this is a Grandia GL. So, this started from a 11-seater. Ngayon, naging 5-seater lang actually siya. Kaya sobrang luwag nito. Kahit sino umupo siya dito, hindi siya mahihirapan. Alright, so yan yung mga ginawa natin sa car na to. If you guys are interested in this product or any other of our products, just give us a message and let us make it happen. Thank you guys for watching and let us see you next time. Goodbye!